Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to delete your Coinomi wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure to launch open your Coinomi application from your device. Once you're inside the wallet, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, tap on the drop-down appearing at the top of the screen right next to your wallet's name. Now tap on Manage Wallets and tap the three dots right next to your wallet. Before proceeding to delete your wallet, make sure that you back up your recovery phrases. In order to do that, click on the recovery phrase button and then enter your password to unlock your wallet and reveal your recovery phrases. Once you've done so, you will be able to see your recovery phrases displayed on the screen, which you'll need to go ahead and write it down in a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, you can now proceed to delete your wallet. Tap on Delete in the pop-up under Manage Wallets and then tap on the Delete button in the pop-up. And soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your wallet from Coinomi application. You can now uninstall the Coinomi app from your device. This will also delete your data, but remember to keep your backup phrases in a secure place so that if you change your mind after deleting a wallet, you can restore it using your recovery phrases in the future. That is how you can easily delete your Coinomi wallet using the Coinomi application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.